Okay, we're going to try this over again. The first time was a total bust. It is 6:20 p.m. Sunday afternoon, May the 19th, 2019, and we have a problem. Can somebody please explain to me why YouTube is lying to me? I'm going to do a screen share and show you rather than tell you what's happening here. And first we'll do a screen share. And then we're going to do this, and we're going to share our screen. Okay, we're sharing our screen. We're going to get rid of this. Now, first let me go to my channel. Okay, we're at my channel, where you normally go. We go to Video Manager. Note the number of recordings that it says, 973. Okay? But that's page 1 of the Video Manager. If you go down here and go to page 2, 981. From 73 to 81, that's 8 videos that I have gained just by advancing one page. And that 981 tends to be consistent up until you get to the end of it. But we still don't know what it is. Now, there are 30 videos per page on the, so if you divide that by that 981 by 30, you're going to get 3, that's going to be 90, that'd be 81 divided by 30, that's going to be what, 32 pages, something like that. Anyway, but it gets even worse. If somebody were looking for my YouTube channel, they search for my YouTube channel, they find my YouTube channel. And lo and behold, it tells them I have 964 videos. So doing it this way, I have lost 19 videos from the 983, which is different from 981 from the 73. So that's 3 different numbers that YouTube is telling me I've got. I would dearly love for somebody to kindly explain this new math to me, because to me, it doesn't make sense. I'll stop the screen share now. I'm back over here, and I am now going to stop the recording and then get it up on YouTube. Thank you for watching.